Well, so Margaret had pictured her little pot lid, because the old Bakelite lid finally, just the thing that was holding it on, just finally corroded out and died. So what I gotta do here is I got this metal thing just spot welded to the top of a stainless steel pot lid. I got the old grinder out, and I was just gonna grind her down because, you know, this is just a pot lid, right? Well, number one thing here is whenever you're using a high-speed grinder, cutting tool, angle grinder like this one, right, you want to wear something like these, safety glasses. Eyes are important. You only have one pair. Just because they can swap them out over in Japan doesn't mean we can afford it over here in America, right? Anyways, so just hang on. This is step one. I'm just gonna grind it out. Okay, as you can see, took it all the way down to the stainless, because that little metal tab thing that was holding the knob on was just spot welded on. Right, I couldn't get it to pop up with the chisel, so you can see with a light touch and an angle grinder, you can do a fairly decent job, because the piece I have to cover, it's gonna, you know, it's probably gonna cover up most of that. But you want to get it down to the stainless, so now we can drill the hole through it. Right, you don't want any of that old weld or any of that piece of metal in there. Pretty good job, eh? Step two coming up. Okay, here we are. So now that I got all of the spot weld ground off, except, you know, little divot, right, little piece right there, right, I'm gonna worry about it. We want to find the center. You can see where the center of the spot weld was. When you find the center, you want to get your punch. Flip it over upside down. Right, find the center of it. Center your punch in there. Mine is made out of a case hardened Allen head bolt. This is one of my little special tools that I made. Get your hammer and punch the spot so you can start the drill bit. There you go. Once you got your spot punched, you know what I'm saying? And it's the way we go. I missed it. Just make sure you got it now. Grab the old 3/8/16 drill bit. Alright, and you want to do this process slowly because you don't want the thing to spin around and cut your thumb off. So you're going to start out slow. Once we made our hole, we want to check the fit of the screw, because this is the knob that I'm putting on it. Ain't nothing the round file can't fix, right? Looky there. Looky there. Threads right through. Can't beat that for a good fit. Mark's gonna love me. Anyways, all we gotta do now is just Put the washer, screw and washer together. This is the bottom piece of the cap. Put this together. See, thread it through. Get the old Phillips screwdriver. Screwdriver tool. You can see that now the knob just screws onto that. So I gotta be through a little bit more. Let's see, put the thread on now. Oh yeah. Tighten her down. Look at that. Marcus got her little favorite little pot lid back. 1, 2, 3. That's how you fix the stainless steel pot head. Or actually, that's how you replace the knob on a stainless steel pot lid. Thank you.